Hello everyone and welcome to this video on physical quantities in AS level physics. I'm Toni Hidayat. We will be discussing the key concepts that are aligned with topic 1, subtopic 1.1 of the Cambridge syllabus. This will help you build a strong foundation in understanding physical quantities, which is crucial for your success in physics. Let's get started. The first learning objective is understand that all physical quantities consist of a numerical magnitude and a unit. In physics, every measurable aspect of the world around us is described using physical quantities. A physical quantity is any physical property of a material or system that can be quantified, that is, can be measured using numbers. For example, when we measure the length, width, and height of a box, each measurement is a physical quantity. Similarly, time and temperature are also physical quantities. The magnitude tells us how much of something there is, while the unit specifies what we are measuring, whether it's meters, second, or degrees Celsius. Understanding this is key to working with any physical measurement. The second learning objective is make reasonable estimates of physical quantities included within the syllabus. As physics students, it's important to develop this skill of making reasonable estimates. This means having a good sense of scale and being able to approximate physical quantities even when exact measurements are not available. For example, if you need to estimate the length of a sedan, knowing that most sedans are around 4.5 meters long can help. Similarly, estimating the mass of a basketball, which is roughly 0.6 kilogram, is another useful skill. This ability not only helps in exams, but also in real-life applications, where quick judgments are needed. That's all for now, everyone. Thank you for watching this video on physical quantities. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more physics lessons. Your support helps me continue making educational content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of physics.